What up my people, you're welcome back to my YouTube channel. Alright guys, so if you're new here, you are most certainly welcome. So in today's video, I'm gonna be showing you how to flush out toxins from your body, and this is gonna be really superb. Okay, so if you're having stomach ache, or you are actually, if you eat you don't feel sweet with your body, okay, so this remedy is gonna help you so much. Okay, so follow me to my kitchen, let me show you, yeah. Okay, so if you want to know all of the ingredients, stay put and don't forget to thumbs up, subscribe and share, and let's go. So to flush out toxins from the body and to have an healthy body, you're gonna be needing to use this, and this is garlic. Now there are two ways in which I'm gonna be doing this, so I'm actually gonna be achieving this. Now garlic is a great remedy that helps so much for the body. It helps so much to flush out toxins, and it leaves your skin and your body refreshed. Okay, and you're gonna be feeling really smart, healthy and whatnot, yeah. Okay, so how you're gonna do that is that you're going to be beating the garlic. And this is it. Now after you've done that, then you can peel it off. Okay, so after you've done this, then we would have to then divide this garlic into two sections. Okay, this is the first one and this is the second one. Now what we're going to do here is that we're going to be cutting the garlic. Now this is the first step, and this is what you're gonna do. You're gonna grab a small pot. Don't mind my pot, it's burnt everywhere. Okay, and then you're gonna put the garlic in it. Then you put in 1 cup of water, and then let's cook it. Okay, let's go and cook this. Now you are gonna be drinking hot garlic water, yeah. Okay, let's go. So what I'm going to do is that we're gonna be putting in fire, and then we'll cook it, yeah. So we're gonna be cooking this for like 3 minutes, and I'll be back. Okay, let me show you the second step of this. Now the second step is that we're gonna be chopping the garlic also into tiny pieces, and for this particular one it's gonna be more tinier. Okay, so after we do this, then the next thing we're going to do is that we're going to grab a spoon and then you're going to be needing honey. Now honey is a great remedy, guys, for the skin and also for the body. Now to flush out toxins from your body, you're going to be needing these two ingredients, garlic and honey. Now this is how you're going to do it, guys. Now you're going to be putting the honey all over the garlic, yeah, to enable you take it, yeah. This is it, yeah. Okay, so what you're gonna do is that you're gonna stir it. For me, I like to stir it so that the honey can actually get into or touch all of the garlic, yeah, so that when I want to take it in, it's actually going to give me what I need. Like, it's not going to be too pepperish. Okay, so you take this for an effective flush remedy. Flush out your body with this. So this is it, and I'm gonna be taking it, yeah. This is it now. It's good. Man, it's actually a little pepperish, and it's actually very good, yeah. So try this, and I'm gonna be bringing in the first one, yeah. So this is it, and it has boiled. Now what I'm going to do now, I'm gonna be bringing it down and turning it into a cup. So that's basically it. Very simple, very healthy, very neat, and very affordable, yeah. If you want to compare this home remedy to all of those stuff you buy, like, trust me, it's not comparable, okay. So it's something you should try, and it's gonna help you, okay. So that's it, guys. If you do love this video, please thumbs up, subscribe, and share the video, and I'll come your way again. My baby is saying hi. Bye, guys.